front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to Heat Sounds and Vibration. Then tap on Vibration at the top in the middle to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you're ready, scroll down, click on Phone Ringtone and adjust vibration for SIM 1 and SIM 2 by clicking on Vibration category, selecting None at the bottom, applying one of those patterns, or synchronizing your vibration with ringtone. Then go back, click on Notification Tone and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Lastly, hit More Settings at the bottom. Click on the switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to disable or enable it. And last but not least, click on this one next to System Haptics to enable or disable System Haptics for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!